people, how are you guys doing today? I hope you are doing amazing. Good afternoon. We are starting the vlog quite late today. That's because I just arrived here in the countryside from the city, because as you know, I had to go to the city in order to upload a video. Anyway, so I missed day 2 of working here in my simple house. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the day 2 and day 3 update of the house. So I'm actually quite amazed because I can already see the post here in this area, and yeah, they've accomplished quite a lot, so that's good. And I saw it today as well that they added one person, so it's now a total of 6 workers here in my house. I'm quite happy to be here again and to see the progress little by little. So update when it comes to the electricity and signal. Until now, we still don't have electricity, and when it comes to signal, there is already signal, I think 1 to 2 bars for Smart. For Globe, there's still no signal. So yeah, still I will not gonna be able to have Wi-Fi connection here because there is no electricity. At the same time, the signal is not too strong. So I'm gonna take you guys outside to share with you the current progress that they were able to finish yesterday, which is day 2. So yeah, come on, let's go. Alright guys, so now we are going to start with this area over here. This is what they were able to finish on day 2. Please bear with me, I don't have a camera woman today. So yeah, you guys are there. Okay, we're gonna start over here. As you guys can see, we already have 4 posts, whatever you want to call it. I figured this is not really called foundation. I was super wrong. But you guys are there to correct me, so thank you so much. So this is the very first one, and as you guys can see, they've already make it solid. That's good. This is a good improvement on day 2. So we have one over there, and then here on this side we have the second one as well. And I don't know if you guys can still see this one, but we have the 3rd and then 4th over there. So if you guys can see, there is actually some, I don't know what you call it, they've actually kind of destroyed or made some holes around the post. And I asked my papa why did they do that. The purpose of that is because once they smoothen this out, then it's gonna be easier for the cement to get attached to it. If they're not gonna do it now, then it's gonna be hard for them to make some holes or something like this because it's gonna be super hard. So yeah, this is it for now. I'm not quite sure if this is the height already of the post. In my background, this is one of the things that they were able to accomplish as well. So they managed to paint red lid for all of the metals that we're going to be using for the roof. So yeah, these are the metal rebar, angle bar, square tube, what else? There's a lot of bars and you know, different kinds of metal. And yeah, they were able to put a red lid again so that it won't get rusty. I really thought that they're going to do the painting once it's up, but yeah, I think it's a lot easier for them to do it this way because you know, it's a lot convenient to just paint it while it's on the ground other than painting it once it's up. So yeah, now we're gonna go to the back of the house so that you guys can see another progress that they were able to do. we're going to continue here at the back of the house. So I think you guys can still see this. This is the fourth, I believe. Wait, hold on. One, two, yeah, this is the fourth post that they were able to accomplish. Now, I think this is what they were working on like today. I'm not quite sure yet, but so this is how it looks. Now, I was not really able to film like how did they go about, making this a post. So if you guys can remember last time, they had the, what do you call this? Like the metal rebar with some rings around it that we put first in order to make it like this square type of post. They were using this plywood. If you guys can recall, I did purchase 4 really thin plywood, and I was thinking, what is it for? So now it makes sense. So this is how they did it. Now they've actually made use of the plywood to shape it like this, like a square shape. Aside from the metal rebar in the middle, they also put this, I think this is called an angle bar, in order to hold the plywood. And in the middle, that's where they're going to put a combination of cement, gravel, and sand again. Now we're going to check out the other side of the house where my room is. Let's go. It's super hot. Now moving on, I'm here on the other side of the house. This is what they are currently working on when I did arrive here. They were mixing some cement, gravel, and sand over there. And then some people are holding here. And then the main builder was the one putting in the combination inside. So yeah, this is how they did it. It's very interesting to see how they were able to do this post. I think they were able to finish this one already. This is going to be the next one that they're going to be working on. I think once the inside will be already hard, that's when they're going to remove the plywood and this one, I believe. So yeah, that is it that they were able to accomplish so far. So this is day 2 and day 3, half day. They are currently out right now. It's already 12 p.m. So they're gonna go and have their lunch. They're gonna come back, I believe, like 1 p.m. guys are back. I'm here in my living area. So sorry, it is so messy here. You can see here I have my bed and a lot of stuff are here because my room is still super messy. Maybe in the next few days I'm gonna try to sort it out, but I would have to say there is really no point of like sorting it out or like, you know, cleaning here inside the house, because I know for sure that by the time that we or they remove the roof and replace it with a new one, and once we destroy the wall as well, like it's gonna be super messy. So yeah, there's no point of just like cleaning now. Anyway, so yeah, the guys are back and I think they're gonna be working on this side of the house where my room is. I think they're going to continue the concrete post. They still have, I think, 1, 2, 3, about 4 concrete posts that they need to put some gravel, sand, and cement. So far, so good. I'm actually quite happy that they've added one, because initially when I talked to the main builder, I know I have not really introduced him to you guys, but he was the one that was on the roof. Anyway, so that's good that there's a total of 6 workers now, because that means more heads, then the faster the completion of the house will be. I'm not sure if I was able to share this to you guys, but the target weeks that we have agreed is 3 weeks, so hopefully they will be able to do that. Again, it's going to be 12 concrete posts and also the roof, gutter. So that's the current agreement that we have. Also, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys as well like what's gonna be my plan here inside the house. There's gonna be a few improvement. There's gonna be some improvement, of course. I have read one comment about a drawing or a plan for the house. What is it gonna be? I cannot really share that to you guys yet. I'm going to share that with you later on. But yeah, I am going to have some changes, not much, because you know the kitchen is already done. We couldn't really touch it unless I would want to change it, and we also have the toilet and the bathroom over there, so there's really not much movement that we could do here in the house because of those. So yeah, it's just gonna be about, you know, my bedroom and the second bedroom as well. Anyway, if you guys have any suggestions of how do I rearrange my house, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm very open for it. Let's go ahead and check that. Right now it is already 4 p.m. so the workers are gone. They went home already. So right now I'm going to show you what they have accomplished this afternoon. I'm here on the other side of the house because this is where we left off. Over here, you guys can see they were already able to actually put some sand, gravel, and cement inside of that. I think we will have to wait until that will get hard. I'm not quite sure though how long will it take. I really wanted to, you know, witness the unveiling like when they remove the plywood and see how does it look. Here on the side, I think you guys can see that they've already put this metal rebars as well. Right where I'm standing, you can see the other one that they were able to finish. It is still a bit soft like down there. I think they really have to wait until the stuff that they put in this hole will be hard enough so that it could hold the cement that they're going to form going up. On the other side as well, over here, you guys can see the last post that they were able to finish. So those are the work that they were able to finish today. There's a lot of mosquitoes that are biting me, fudge. I actually arrived here this morning. I was like super shocked because my house doesn't, I don't know, it has a different look already now that we have a concrete post. But yeah, I'm really looking forward that hopefully we could finish this. We are targeting 3 3 weeks for this to be finished, and it's only been 3 days, and these are the work that they were able to do. So that's really good. So if you guys can recall earlier, I have shared with you that they were able to paint all the metals that they need to hold the roof. In the next few days, I think he will be able to put some of those up. That's when I need to get the roof. So again, I'm going to be using color roof, not this kind of roof anymore. Hopefully it's going to be a good one that can withstand another storm. So everything is looking good so far. I'm quite happy and excited. Again, thank you guys all so much for being here, for watching my videos and not skipping ads. I truly appreciate that. So that is pretty much it for today's video. I'm going to end it up here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed day 2 and day 3 of work in my rebuild for the house. I hope you guys could subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!